Hey guys, it is Sunday and it's a new video of what's for dinner. I have not done this in about 2 weeks, so super excited to show you what we are having for dinner this week. So today we are having a cube steak and gravy with mashed potatoes and green beans. I have one 4-ounce cube steak patty, some gravy, and then half a cup of mashed potatoes, and then half a cup of green beans. I am on Weight Watchers. So roughly all of this is about 9 points. So that is pretty good. And that's including the gravy also. So yeah, so this is what we are having for dinner on this Sunday night. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday and we are actually having leftovers. I'm having the mashed potatoes and the gravy that we had last night. And then this pork is actually called leche. Hopefully I am pronouncing it right. It is a pretty much a Filipino pork. It is a whole pork that is cooked in the oven, like with the head and the feet and everything. Cooked in the oven, very slowly roasted for like hours on end. And it's really good. You get it from the Asian market or the Filipino store, as I call it. And this was like $7.99 a pound, so I got a pound of it on Sunday, or no, Saturday. So that is what we're going to have. So we have a little bit of pork and mashed potatoes and gravy, and that is what we're having for tonight, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday, and we are having chicken Loretta. As always, we did not put it in the oven though. We did air fry it, which it looks like it's a little bit more crispier than the baked chicken in the oven. So looks really good, smells really good. Hopefully it's good still. And then we had some cabbage left over from when Mama was down. So I sauteed that in a cast iron skillet with some bacon. And yeah, so love cabbage, absolutely love it. And this is just a very simple meal. I did not want to dirty up any plates either, so that's why it's on a paper plate. But yeah, so this is our dinner tonight, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is Thursday, and we are having grilled cheese and tomato soup. Jared made it, so I'm so proud of him. Anyways, his grilled cheese are usually good. They're just literally just shredded cheese in it, and then he actually, for the crust part, he smears mayonnaise on it because it actually is supposed to make a really good crust, like crusty crust, I guess you could say. And then tomato soup is just literally in the can, mixed in with some milk, and that's it. So this is our dinner for tonight, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is Friday and we are having chicken parmesan. So it's super simple. We boiled some angel hair pasta because, you know, that's the pasta of choice that we chosen. And then the sauce is actually the Pioneer Woman vegetable pasta, and it looks really good. I'm a little scared with what that is. I don't know if that's an onion or bell pepper. Either way, I don't eat those, so I'm a little scared, but you know what? We're going to eat it. And then the chicken patties is literally the frozen chicken patties. I think it's Tyson. We just put those in the air fryer and then put some cheese on it. And it looks really good. So this is what we're going to have for dinner on Friday. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Saturday. It's the last day of the week for what's for dinner. And literally I have worked for 12 hours. I'm so tired. We don't have any food either. But anyway, so we have some ramen. We have chicken ramen. I added some I added some pepper. And then I added a little bit of beef broth because I didn't have any chicken broth. I don't like a lot of soup. Or a lot of liquid. So I just added a splash of beef broth, and that's about it. So we're going to eat this, and that is the end of what's for dinner. Next week, there's probably not going to be a what's for dinner because I actually work 11 to 9 every single day. So I'm literally going to be eating sandwiches or leftovers while I'm at work. So that's not going to be too exciting. So I'm not going to be filming that. So you'll have to wait for another week before I post another video. But anyway, sorry about that. Sorry for the inconvenience. Blame my job. But yeah. Anyways, this is tonight's dinner, and hopefully y'all are enjoying these videos. Make sure you like and subscribe down below, and let me know if you do any of these videos and what you are going to be making in the following weeks. Anyways, I'll talk to you later, and have a good week. Bye.